Gita means song. Lord Krishna sang with his flute in Vrindavan. The same Lord Krishna also sang on the battlefield, this time while imparting the Gita, Gyan, and knowledge to Arjuna. It is said that Arjuna was not the only person who actually heard the Gita. As we know, it was also Sanjaya and King Dhritarashtra who actually heard the Gita. But neither Dhritarashtra nor Sanjaya gained from this wisdom because they were listening with their own motives. But it is Arjuna who immersed himself completely in the teachings of the Gita. He surrendered totally to the Lord who was imparting him this knowledge. As a result, with his one-pointedness, his focus, his concentration, he and Krishna almost became one. And we all know how Arjuna then fought the war and led the Pandavas to victory. So, today I thought, why not take some important lessons from the Gita? Lessons that can help you and me to manage our life better. Lessons that can help you and me to manifest our best life. So many of us are after things, goals, objectives. And undoubtedly, like Arjuna, we may have doubts in our own mind about whether or not we are on the right path, whether or not we are meant to achieve this goal, whether we have the power to do it. The first thing I want all of us to focus on is this, that the Gita is a text for all spiritual practitioners. Anyone and everyone who would like to learn more about themselves must read the Gita. In fact, the Gita possesses the summary of all the 4 Vedas. Even the knowledge imparted in our Shastras and our Upangs are all contained in the Gita. The first words that the Gita starts with are Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre. The word Dharma being the leading word here. The last stanza of the final 18th chapter also speaks of Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna. Yogeshwara here sums up the dharma that is taught. So if you look at the Gita and the message it's actually sending all of us, the message is loud and clear. Remember dharma, practice dharma. The entire textbook here focuses on the fundamentals, the characteristics, and the underlying principles of this very dharma. So firstly, if you want to lead a better life, the number one lesson you should pick up from the Gita is this: stay true to your own heart. All wisdom lies within. Do not run here and there asking people for assurances and validation. Should I do this? Is this for me? Am I going to be able to do it? No, Lord Krishna encourages us to go within and to connect with that power within us that has all the answers. Today, if there is any confusion or doubt in your mind, first of all, start spending time with yourself every day. It is in the depths of silence that you can hear the voice of God. And Krishna encourages us to hear the voice of God. He says, if you are connected to this voice, you will never ever go astray in your life. You will always walk the right path. Walking the right path for you is your dharma. Staying true to yourself is your dharma. Obeying that inner voice is your dharma. However, he says, if there is a confusion of whether or not this voice from within you is the right one, what should you do? You should surrender all your actions. So if currently you're in a situation where you're not sure whether that feeling from within is the right feeling for you to make that choice, to take that decision, sit in silence every day. As Krishna suggests, it is also in the depths of silence that God can hear your voice. So many times when you seek guidance from your higher self, the guidance is not coming because we are never silent. And this is a big important message from the Gita. You need to go within. You need to set a platform to hear that inner voice, which is always willing to talk to you. Just as Lord Krishna is guiding Arjuna, there is a divine power within us. Krishna is within us. always ready to guide us. All we have to do is seek that guidance and then stay silent to receive that guidance in our lives. This is very important also to set the right goals in your life. Sometimes we go after wrong things, things that we end up achieving, but they don't give us any happiness in life. Probably because we were not coming from that inner state, that higher self, that real self, towards the right action steps. So, today, if there is a particular goal you're trying to achieve or attract, first of all, reflect, is this the right thing for me? Is this something that I'm really feeling very strongly about from within? Your first responsibility is always to, first of all, understand what you want and why you want it. If the why is clear, you will never run out of motivation. You will never ever ask yourself, should I go ahead? Should I do this? Those doubts will never come. Those doubts are coming because probably you are not coming from that faith or from that assurance that yes, this is something I want, this is something that I deserve or I like. So, if that first step is sorted, you have sat down with yourself, you have analyzed, you have understood your own needs, and then you have come up with the right goals for yourself, something that feels very true to you, it feels like it's your true authentic self, then as Krishna guides us in the Gita, go ahead. With all your heart, pursue that goal. In fact, Lord Krishna always suggests you have an ambition. You must have goals. Because if you have goals, you will stay motivated, you will stay disciplined, you will also stay focused in doing the right thing at the right time. Such a focused, disciplined life will help you get better and better at anything you are doing for yourself. It will help you also attract the right people, right resources, right opportunities in your life. So, if the goal is something that really means a lot to you, go ahead, pursue it with all your courage, because that's what Lord Krishna recommends us to do. Do not stop then. Do not think whether this is going to be possible or not, because there is a divine power within you which makes everything possible. Now that we have understood how to set goals by understanding the message in the Gita, let us understand how to manage this very important aspect called the mind. Because you see, Lord Krishna explains the mind can be your best friend, the mind can also be your worst enemy. What it does to you depends on how you are managing it. So, it's very important to first of all understand what is going on in your mind. Are there any negative thoughts? What are your limiting beliefs? What are you feeling most of the time? Because if you're missing this important step and only trying to practice manifestation tools, doing rituals every day, writing, repeating, affirming, visualizing, but if you have not understood what your limiting beliefs are, what your thought process is, what are you feeling most of the time, chances are that you will delay your own manifestation, growth, and progress. Lord Krishna has made it very simple for us. He says, learn to manage the vagaries of the mind. Cleanse your mind on a daily basis. Undertake some sadhana to do that. Silent sitting is one way. There is also devotion path, which means if you believe in a particular form, it may be the universe for you, it may be Krishna for you. Surrender to that form on a daily basis your thoughts, your feelings, your burdens. When you connect with that divine power within you, you gain confidence that everything is going to be possible for you. You also learn how to release these negative beliefs and feelings. It could also be the karma path for you. That means do your actions, do your duties. That could be your path. Follow all the duties that you have. Take up all the responsibilities you have with all your heart and stay committed to doing them on a daily basis with love. Love is an important energy. As they say, duty with love becomes divine. Everyone could be doing their duty, but very few do it with love. And Lord Krishna encourages us to do it with love. To have that feeling that this is good for me. That is why I have come in front of this situation. That is why the situation has come into my life, because some good must be coming from it. So are you also approaching the problems in your life with this attitude? It must be good for me. Do you find yourself constantly thinking, there is so much for me to do? Why do I have to do all of this? There's so much for me to handle. Why is it that I'm suffering? Lord Krishna is giving us a clear message. Manage your mind by holding on to this thought that whatever is happening is good for me. Even if challenges are coming, they must be good for me. Probably a challenge, a difficult road today that you are walking on could be a shortcut to a bigger destination, a better destination, a desired destination. So approach every problem with this idea and this thought, it must be good for me. When you do that, Lord Krishna says, you draw that sweetness from your own energy. You taste the bliss, the ananda that you are meant to taste when you have come in this human form. Think about it. When you live your day-to-day life with this attitude, this is good for me, this is good for me, automatically you see, you stop finding fault in others. Now you're concentrating more on how you can do your best to everything that is coming your way. You focus better, you feel better, and others around you also start to feel better. That is the power in your positive thinking and feeling. And that is what the Gita also inspires us to do, encourages us to do. Another very important point that Krishna makes to manage the mind. He says, the mind will play havoc. It will give you worry, it will give you doubt, it will give you desperation. How should you approach it? Do your best. Whatever efforts you have to take, keeping in mind that this is something you need to do. This is your dharma. You have to try your best. You have to put in your best efforts. At the end of the day, whatever efforts you took, now you surrender to Krishna. You surrender to God, universal power, however you relate to this divine force. Why should we do that? You see, when we surrender our thoughts, our feelings, our actions to God, saying that I tried my best, now you take care of the rest, automatically you see, there is a sense of peace and lightness because now you know it is not your responsibility, it is God's. So first part of the job is yours. You have to put in your best efforts. But having put in your best efforts, you have to leave the results and the fruits to Krishna and the divine power within you. As you do that, you stay inspired. You stay clear to take the right action steps for yourself. You also release yourself from this burden that this has to happen, this has to happen, this has to happen. So many people, when they look back, say that probably they missed some amazing opportunities because they were not in the right vibration or state of mind. You don't want to be one of them. You don't want to lose a big opportunity simply because you're sad today, you're upset, you're angry, you're irritated, you're frustrated. You want to make the best of everything that comes your way. And Lord Krishna encourages us to release all our burdens to God, all the tension to God. A simple way to practice this is all through the day, look at every situation as if this is something that Krishna has gifted you, as if this is something that the universe or God, divine power, has gifted you. Whatever you receive, take it like it's prasadam. Take it like this is God's will for me. There must be some good coming out of it. And no matter what the situation, remind yourself that I'm not going to give up in this situation. Why? Because with God, all things are possible. Why should I worry about even my navgrahas? Why should I worry about whether something is possible for me, whether it's in my destiny or not? Navgrahas hold no power over God's anugraha, which is grace. And that is the message Krishna is giving us. That if you connect with this power within you, then nothing is impossible in your life. But you must act out of dedicating all your actions to Krishna, all your actions to your higher power. This is one of the best ways to stay relaxed in your manifestation journey. So one of the best ways to therefore approach your own manifestation process and journey is to remember to always connect with yourself on a daily basis. Whether you are journaling, you are affirming, you're doing any visualization, always understand the science behind the ritual. How is it going to help you? Because that science behind the ritual makes it spiritual in your life. Understand the essence of everything that you're doing. How is it going to help you? How is it actually helping you control your mind or feel better? You don't want to do anything mechanically because that's not what Krishna suggests us to do. He wants us to stay connected with our feelings, our thoughts, our energy, our vibration. And we all know the results in our life are coming from our vibration. Another important point, which is very relevant for all of us who want to manifest big things in our life, is that Krishna emphasized keeping good company. The Mahabharata is a great example of what wrong company can do. To someone even as great as Karna, Karna was in the company of Duryodhana and you saw his fate. On the other hand, when God is by the side of the Pandavas, you saw how the Pandavas ultimately achieved great glory and victory. So, Krishna is encouraging us to keep good company. And good company does not only mean good people. Yes, that is important. Be around people who encourage you, who support you, who understand you. Stay away from people who put you down, who don't understand your goals and your dreams, who don't encourage you. They are not the right people we want to be with, because like energy attracts like energy. So if you're around people who pull you down, or you're around people who laugh at your dreams, your jokes, who are not having a good value system in life, it affects your own character and your thought process. And that is not something we want to encourage. So, good company can start with, of course, being conscious of good people around us, but it's also good environment which you can create for yourself. Read good books. Lord Krishna encourages us to get involved in satsangs, in good talks, good lectures, good music. You see, surround yourself with good information which uplifts your soul and your spirit, that doesn't put your spirit and soul and vibration down. So today only you can make a list of all the things that make you happy, that help you feel more pleasant, more peaceful, more lighter, more positive than before. That is going to be very important for your manifestation journey, because how can you manifest good things if you're in a wrong vibration? And you see, negative information, depressing information, information that does not help you feel better is only adding to your energy blockages. It's pulling your vibration down, and ultimately your results are getting delayed. So this very important point can make a big difference. As we've all heard, tell me your company and I will tell you who you are. So your manifestation is only as good as the information and the environment you are allowing yourself to be in. However, if you're someone who is forced to be in a negative environment and you don't know how to find your way out of it, what should you do? First of all, limit the negative talk. You make sure you are not talking about negative things from this environment to other people. You're not constantly finding fault in your environment. If that is the case, you are just adding more negativity to yourself. So yes, you may be clear that this is not something you want to stay with, but don't keep finding fault, discussing it, criticizing it. What you need to do is seek guidance from the Lord Himself. Seek guidance from your higher power. What should I do to come out of this environment? Help me find a way to put myself in a positive space that supports me, that inspires me, that encourages me. When you seek guidance from within yourself, within your higher power, answers will come, signs will come, and you will know what to do when the time is right. Even while you are still in that negative environment, you see, you will not lose hope. You will still pursue your goals with optimism, with faith, because you will know that you are being guided and guarded because of the way your prayer makes you feel, because of the way your faith makes you feel. You will not want to give up. So, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, which speaks of some of these principles that can help you in your manifestation journey. I'm sure these principles will be something that you will find worthy to apply in your own life. Lots more on the Gita and manifestation coming up soon. Wishing you all the very best. Namaste.